Hey guys, welcome. Technical Beardo here. Today in this video, I'll be talking about how you can set any memoji or a customized memoji as a contact icon or a contact image on your iPhone. Okay, so let's start the video. So guys, first of all, let's open the contact for which you want to set memoji as a contact image. After that, just click on edit. In edit, just click on add photo. If you see, just tap on that. After that, you will see that there are multiple options like capture photo or choose from gallery or any emoji or a edit text, right? But for us we require memoji, right? If you scroll down, something called as memoji here, and there are multiple preset memojis available here, but for us we require customized memoji. Okay, for us we require our own memoji, right? For that, just click on plus icon available there. If you see at the left side, click on the plus icon right there. After you click on plus icon, you will enter into this mode where you can create your own memoji. Okay, from taking from your skin to hairstyle like your nose, okay, your facial hairs, etc. So here there are multiple options available here. Okay, you can choose and create your own memoji as per your wish and as per your likes. So guys, basically here just choose the ear, eyes or hairstyle or hair color, okay, skin color, etc. like that. It's very simple. Okay, just go ahead and create your own memoji. For now, I'll just skip the method and fast forward it. So guys, once your memoji character is ready, now comes the next step, that choosing your expression. If you see here, there are multiple available like you are smiling, laughing, right, winking, etc. So here choose as per your wish and as per your like. Once you do that, click on next, and here comes the choosing background color. Just click on choose and choose any color you want to like your green, blue, anything. Okay, and once you do that, click on done. Now at the last step, just click on done and exit from the editing mode. So guys, now as you can see on screen, whenever the person calls you on your device, okay, as a caller screen you get a full display on your device. Okay, so I hope guys you like this trick, and if you like this trick, okay, please like the video and please subscribe for more awesome videos on iPhone tips and tricks and iPhone solution. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye.